Welcome to our April Awards Assembly. We're excited to recognize your greatness and your flexible thinking and all your work in math and science and social studies and reading and writing. Remember, if your name is not called, you can still show integrity by being respectful listeners and clapping your hands appropriately after all names have been called. Now, we're going to celebrate one student from each class who's a terrific kid. Our character trait in the month of April was integrity. Ms. Woolberg will present our Integrity Awards. And remember, please clap your names after all names have been called.
All right, so integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is looking. We're honest and we make the right choice even if it is hard. Our terrific kids for April are Amelia Collazo, Bryson Westover, Ari Johnson, Audrey Powers, Charlotte Doherty, Evelyn Roach, Easton Anderson, Hadley O'Brien, Devin Huckabee, Lola Jones, Amora Nims, Max Talby, Katie Harris, Nash Berzlovich, Zane Dennis, Emery Sanders, Winnie Hogan, Kalia Clark, and William Jane. Next, Mrs. Wilson will present the Service Above Self Award.
Okay, this month's Service Above Self winners were nominated by Mrs. Henderson earlier in the school year. They spent a few recesses cleaning up the playground because they wanted the playground to be nice for their school and classmates. They also inspired others to join in and help. Congratulations to Iris Britton, Amora Nims, and Ella Baldwin. All right, and now Mrs. Neal is going to come up and give our Bright Futures Award.
Okay, we would like to recognize students who accomplished the My 42 Challenge for the month of April. These students collected at least 25 pop caps for the Ronald McDonald House, donated toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, or soap to the Blue Barrel to use in the back-to-school hygiene bags, and participated in major saver sales to support raising funds for our school. Please stand when your name is called to be recognized. Britton Schroeder, Brogan Witherspoon, McKenna Lewis, Emily Bowman, Parker Jackson, Maddie Schroeder, Charlotte Obermiller, Easton Anderson, Mason Krabs, Maverick Doe, Inslee Morris, Marley Morris, Adeline Roberts, Leah Lake, Rowan Edmiston, Leo Vandebell, Haley Brown, Macy Wood, Frederick Obermiller, Raymond Trusty, Dalton Duchamay, Katja Buckingham. All right, that's it. Thank you for your service this month. With donations to the Blue Barrel, students earn a ticket in a drawing for a Bright Futures t-shirt. This month's winner is from Mrs. Hammond's class, and that's Mason Krabs. All right, and the class with the top amount of items collected for the Blue Barrel, so that's the deodorant, the toothpaste, the soap, all that, earns an extra recess. This month's winner with 25 personal care items collected was Mrs. Neal's class. Now, there will not be a checklist for the month of May because it's such a short month and this is our last Positive Action Assembly, but those who participated in at least 6 of the 8 checklist challenges for the year will be invited for a special celebration and service opportunity next week. Okay, so your teacher will be getting those invitations for you guys, okay? Thank you so much for giving your time, talent, and treasure this school year.
Harrisonville. Great job, guys. Hey, let's announce students and staff of the month. Congratulations to these students and staff of the month. The students of the month also get a t-shirt. Miss Stelly's gonna help me hand those out. And lunch with the principal. Students of the month, congratulations. Britton Schroeder. Sawyer Seegers. Jace Thomas. Jack Finn Parkhurst. And it's their birthday this weekend. And Elena Malone. Congratulations to our students of the month. Zoe Beebe. My apologies. Zoe Beebe from Miss Jackson's class is also a student of the month. Zoe Beebe from Miss Jackson's class. Congratulations. We also like to recognize staff members who help out their teams and do a great job each month. This month we are recognizing Mrs. Snyder and Mrs. Hammonds. Congratulations. Next up is Mrs. Boland with our Mathematicians of the Month. Remember our listening? Ears on, voices are off. Oh, 5th grade's doing a great job over there. 4th grade, got some work to do. All right. Classroom teachers each recognize a Mathematician of the Month. Congratulations to these students who have a positive attitude and try their best in math. Condor Endicott, John Ekstrom, Brantley Baxter, Nate Fitzgerald, Bryson Hughes, Will Bunch, Bentley Brown, Raymond Trusty, Jagger Stewart, Catherine McCain, Brody Seanwith, Zendaya Miltree, Sydney McKernan, Alyssa O'Connor, Annabella D'Amato, Elio Ramirez, Riley Cox, Case Valentine, and Hadley White. Congratulations.
Oh, now I think third grade's doing the best over there. All right, next up, Mrs. Powers will announce Reader of the Month.
Hi guys, I get to share Readers of the Month. Classroom teachers choose a student who has shown a commitment to being the best reader that they can be each month. Congratulations to Jairo Garcia, say your clapping to the empties, Oliver Moreland, Eddie Izaguirre, Jax Clifford, Shar Waller, Davina Korf, Stratton Warner, Emily Michaels, Mila Barrett, Ava Plant, Lennon Cornelius, Hadley Sexton, Xavier Marin, Leah Lake, Chase Petrel, McKenna Lewis, Jace Ekstrom, Austin Miller, and James DeLeon. Up here. Next up, Mrs. Henderson will share Writers of the Month. All right, the Writers of the Month are chosen by classroom teachers for their hard work and dedication. Congratulations to these students. Please come up and collect your certificates. Kyler Carroll, Grady Norvig, Wesley Lawson, Brinley Caldwell, Cameron Smith, Elena Malone, Iris Britton, Waylon Burnett, Bradley Idison, got it, John Harleman, Kendall Avilas, Kane Bedford, Lyrics Colbert, Ivy Madsen, Ray Passau, Nora Davis, Parker Casey, and McKenna Freshley. Next will be Coach Kenny.
Quiet down. Okay, you know the drill. I'm looking for, well, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a student, especially this past month, who shows kindness. That's been a big one. A lot of you have heard me say, choose kindness, okay? Also come prepared, good sportsmanship, all that. But a lot of these students here have shown kindness, especially this past month. Come on up when I call your name. Bryson Westover, Cassidy Urban, Callie Frost, Dallas Hall, Lily Shaw, Rylan Hunt. Come on up, guys. Thank you. Up next is Mrs. Thurman.
I've been watching this year to see which of the artworks I could send to the Cass County Art Show. I can pick only 3 from 4th grade and 3 from 5th grade. I send them to the Harrisonville Library, and they are on display for a week with artwork from the whole county. So all of the schools that are around us have art there. And I have 3 students recognized today who were awarded a ribbon at that art show. So I am first going to ask Easton Anderson, come on down. You earned a Judge Merit Award for your candle oil pastel. Congratulations. In the 5th grade category, there is only 1 first place ribbon, 1 second place, and 1 third place ribbon awarded. And guess what? McEowen students won 2nd place and 3rd place. So, next I will ask Haley Brown to come on down for her 2nd place ribbon for her city perspective drawing. Congratulations. And for 3rd place, Harper Chenoweth, come on down and get your ribbon for your beautiful pumpkin oil pastel drawing. Congratulations, guys.
I love seeing you students and teachers too. I love seeing you guys excel in so many different things. Art, music, PE. I love seeing all the books that you guys are reading. It's a pleasure to work with you. I appreciate your attention at our assemblies, and congratulations on finishing the math test, and congratulations on being a McEowen Wildcat. Next month is May. Well, it is May. Today's May Day. Welcome, May. Our character trait in May is perseverance. Say it with me. Perseverance. Perseverance means don't give up. Keep trying. Even if things are hard, or even if you don't want to do it, just keep trying, just keep swimming, just keep doing your best. And don't give up. That's perseverance. Say perseverance. Harrisonville. Thank you for attending our awards assembly this afternoon. Please look at your teacher and do not move until you hear further directions.